Do you want to make super fluffy and soft bread machine bread? Just add a touch of sweet potato and watch the magic happen. It is a game changer that you have to try. To make this sweet potato bread in a bread machine, start by cutting a small sweet potato into chunks. Boil the chunks in water for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Drain and peel the sweet potato, mash it thoroughly, and measure out a half a cup of mashed sweet potato for the recipe and leave it to cool. Next, add half a cup or 120 milliliters of lukewarm milk to the bread pan. Then add 1 medium-sized egg to the bread pan. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 2 cups plus 1/3 cup of bread flour, which is 350 grams. Then add 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast to the bread pan, and then add in a half a cup of cooled and mashed sweet potato. Now, place the bread pan in the bread machine and select the sweet bread setting. If that option is not available, choose the basic or white bread setting. Now, let the bread maker mix the ingredients until a dough has formed, which will take about 10 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter and allow the bread maker to proceed with the cycle. Once the baking cycle has finished and your kitchen smells like a bakery, carefully remove the bread pan from the machine and take the bread out of the bread pan. As you can see, this sweet potato bread is incredibly soft and fluffy, with a light and airy texture that makes each slice feel wonderfully tender. The sweet potato adds a subtle sweetness and moisture, keeping the bread fresh and soft even after a few days. It is perfect for everything from a cozy breakfast toast to a satisfying sandwich or simply enjoying a warm slice on its own. If you like this soft sweet potato bread recipe, then you will absolutely love this old-fashioned sweet potato bread recipe here. Check it out now.